Today we're going to be talking about this piece of wireless earphones which looks like Apple AirPods second generation, and it is also for gaming. I'm actually talking about the Plextone 4Game wireless gaming earphones. Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So basically my channel actually focuses on testing and reviewing affordable wireless earbuds to help you to decide before you hit the buy button. So without further ado, let's get into today's content. So in the last few months, I've actually been testing quite a number of wireless earbuds which are actually meant for gaming from various brands. Some are great, some are not. Now, the Plextone 4Game, they actually retail for around $25 on Shopee Singapore. It comes in 3 colors, green, black, and blue. What Plextone sent me is the green color, as you can see here. This is how it looks on the right, this is how it looks on the left. Okay, so if you want to check it out, do check out the details here down in the description below, and don't forget to use my promo code here. So I've been testing the Plextone 4Game for around 2 weeks as my daily driver, not just for gaming but also for music, for videos, etc. So before you go out and hit that buy button, here are the top 3 things you should consider first. And towards the end of this video, I will include audio tracks to demonstrate the microphone quality of the 4Game wireless gaming earphones. And if you missed my unboxing of these earphones, click on the link here to check it out and then come back to this review. Now let's start off with some basic features about these earphones. In terms of dimension, it's 66mm by 31mm by 35mm. The charging case is around 32 grams, while the earphones are around 6 grams each. There are touch controls on each of the earphones. It uses micro USB charging port and utilizes Bluetooth 5.0 technology. It has 10mm dynamic driver, and as far as I know, there is no proper IPX waterproof rating provided. So, as with all wireless earbuds, the first thing that we should look at is always the battery life. Now, the battery sizes of both the casing and the earbuds are 350 mAh and 38 mAh respectively. The company claimed that the earbuds can last for up to 4 hours on non-gaming mode and up to 3 hours on gaming mode. The casing is actually able to provide an additional 12 hours of battery life, giving the user a total of 16 hours. Now, on my own testing, the earphones was able to last around 4.5 hours on music at 100% volume. On talk time, the 4Game was able to last around 4 hours. In terms of mobile gaming on my mobile phone, the earbuds was able to last around 2 hours at 100% volume. For mixed usage, it lasts around 2.5 hours, and that is actually broken down into 1 hour music, 1 hour talk time, and 30 minutes of mobile gaming on gaming mode. The case was able to provide 4 full charges to both earphones. The case takes around 1.5 hours to recharge the earbuds from 0 to 100. Now, when you put the earphones back into the case, the LED light on the earphones will turn red to indicate charging. When it's 100% charged, it will turn to blue color. There are 4 LED lights on the front of the case, which will light up accordingly. 4 lights for more than 75%, 3 lights for lower than 75%, 2 lights for 50%, and 1 light for lower than 25%, which will mean that you will need to juice the casing up. To juice up the casing, all you need to do is to plug in the micro USB port. It takes around 1.5 hours to recharge the casing back to 100% via the micro USB cable. So overall, I would say that the battery life performance of the 4Game is pretty on par with what the company advertised. Now let's move on to the second thing to consider, and that is the day-to-day functionality and comfort. The initial Bluetooth pairing experience with the 4Game using with my Apple iPhone 12 mini was an absolute delight. Once you open the lid, you take out the earbuds, immediately you will see BT pop up on the Bluetooth profile screen. Tap on it, and within 2 seconds, the pairing is complete. Now, subsequent Bluetooth reconnection is almost instant the moment you take out the earbuds from the casing. The Bluetooth connection is very stable. So far, I did not actually experience any intermittent disconnection, whether I'm in the bus or I'm in the train or I'm in actually very crowded area. I have no such issues. Now, for comfort, the earphones are actually almost weightless. I mean, even though they weigh 6 grams, so once you put them on, like you see here, they are almost weightless. Actually, a lot of time I just forgot that I actually put them on. The good thing is that the 4Game, they actually doesn't trap heat, so I don't feel any ear fatigues even if I have to wear them for 4 hours straight. And just like the Apple AirPods Gen 2, there is actually no ear tip sticking out from the earphones. Let me take it out and you have a closer look. Right, so you take a look, there is no ear tip. So this means that the earphones, they actually sit right outside your ear canal, which is good for people who actually doesn't like anything sticking into their ear. Now, in terms of controls, the 4Game actually come pre-installed with a few commands, and the following are how the commands actually work. So on a day-to-day basis, I would say that the touch controls are very responsive. Since the touch controls are actually located on the earphone head itself, so you don't need to worry about accidentally activating the commands. If you're going to take the stem to make some minor adjustments, to have them more comfortable in your ear. Though it's too bad that the Plextone actually didn't include any commands for volume control, but I feel that this is a very minor thing which can be easily done by using the volume rocker on your smartphone. So when it comes to like gymming, working out, jogging, etc., the 4Game actually doesn't have any proper IPX water resistant rating, so I won't really recommend to wear the 4Game for any workout sessions, whether you sweat or you do not sweat a lot, because you wouldn't want to spoil it if it accidentally come in contact with water, because there's no proper IPX rating. So next, we moved on to the third and most important thing about any wireless earbud, not just for 4Game, and that is actually sound quality. Now, the 4Game uses 10mm audio drivers. It supports both SBC and AAC audio codec. Now, during my testing, the lack of proper seal and fit means that I can actually hear the music and all the outside noise like nobody's business. And this actually has a direct impact, but this is like the cherry on the cake. The good thing here is that the volume output of the 4Game wireless gaming earphones is very loud and very powerful. So even if you're in a very noisy environment, it will actually counter and provide you a decent sound enjoyment. Secondly, vocals are clear. Bass is actually surprisingly good, even though it doesn't have a proper seal. So overall, I would say that the music enjoyment for 4Game is really one of the best I've tested so far when it comes to on-ear, and when it comes to watching videos through YouTube and Netflix. There is almost no sound delay, even without activating the gaming mode. It's perfectly fine. For gaming wise, the sound latency, I would say it's almost unnoticeable when I activate the gaming mode. The following is actually a sample of the sound latency when you're in gaming mode and non-gaming mode. And of course, we're down to the final segment, which is actually the microphone quality of the 4Game wireless gaming earphones. Now, the built-in microphone of the 4Game is actually surprisingly good. The only issue is when I am actually making a phone call while I'm actually sitting down at a very busy bus stop. That means there is constantly having, there's like constant buses coming and going. So the engine roar of the bus, unfortunately, this earbuds they actually struggled to actually cancel out the noise. But other than that, in most situations, the person on the other line was actually able to hear me pretty well. Right, so enough of my talking. The following segment is a series of sound clips to demonstrate the microphone quality of the 4Game wireless earphones. So do remember to put on your headphones. This is how your voice will sound like on the iPhone 12 mini. This is how your voice will sound like on the iPhone 12 mini. Hi everyone, I'm currently doing a microphone test on the Plextone 4Game wireless gaming earphones. I'm currently indoor in a room, so do let me know what you think of the microphone quality. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Hi everyone, so I'm actually currently walking outside and I'm doing a microphone test on the Plextone 4Game wireless gaming earphones. Do let me know what you think of the microphone quality. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Hi everyone, I'm currently inside the shopping mall and I am doing a microphone test on the 4Game wireless gaming earphone from Plextone. So do let me know what you think of the microphone quality. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is a mic test on the M1 MacBook Air built-in microphone. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is a mic test on the M1 MacBook Air built-in microphone. Hi everyone, I'm currently using the 4Game wireless earphones to record the Zoom. I'm actually currently talking through the microphone of the 4Game wireless earphones through Zoom. So do let me know what you think of the audio quality. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. I'm currently doing a microphone test on the Plextone 4Game wireless gaming earphones. I'm currently walking along a busy road, so do let me know what you think of the microphone quality. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is a microphone test on the 4Game wireless gaming earphones. Currently in a coffee shop. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Hi everyone, I am currently inside the shopping mall and I am doing a microphone test on the Plextone 4Game wireless gaming earphones and I'm currently using it to record a WhatsApp audio message. So do let me know what you think of the microphone quality. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. At the end of the day, are they worth it? Are the 4Game wireless gaming earphones worth it? Should you get it or should you actually get something else? Well, putting aside the only drawback, which is the lack of proper IPX water resistant rating, I personally feel that the Plextone 4Game wireless gaming earphones is a cheaper alternative to the Apple AirPods Gen 2, not only for music and video, but for gaming too. And people who actually don't like things sticking their ears, you can actually consider the 4Game as well. And besides that, the microphone quality is loud and clear, and it's actually good enough for calls and video conferencing. And furthermore, it's only around 25 US dollars. So I would say that the Plextone 4Game wireless gaming earphones is actually one of the best wireless gaming earphones you can get for under $25 or around $25. Alright, and there you have it. This has actually been my personal review of the Plextone 4Game wireless gaming earphones. I hope that my sharing has helped you. If it did, it'd be great if you can actually smash the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, but most importantly, share this video with your friends who are actually considering to get a wireless gaming earphones. My name is Johnny. Till the next one. Bye bye.